Welcome to our comprehensive Inca Trail packing guide. We'll provide you the knowledge and advice you need to be properly prepared for the remarkable journey that lies ahead. What do I bring hiking the Inca Trail? Prepare and be confident as we help you out on your Inca Trail packing list. Welcome back to Tripocity, where we dive into your favorite trip destinations and give you amazing content as we embark on a journey on your virtual trip. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Tripocity and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and adventure insights. Let's go! Section 1. Essential Gear. Your backpack becomes your best friend on what to pack for Inca Trail hike because it will serve as your travel companion along the Inca Trail. Ensure that the gear you choose has adjustable straps and enough storage, and that it can hold your essentials while equally dispersing the weight for a comfortable walk. Packing cubes are essential for organizing clothing and equipment to keep things organized during the expedition, while dry bags add an extra barrier of defense against unpredictable rain. These careful packing techniques not only guarantee that your goods stay organized, but they also make the hiking trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Section 2. Clothing. What to wear hiking the Inca Trail. When packing your clothing for Inca Trail, prioritize clothing that can handle the trail's diverse weather conditions by opting for moisture-wicking and quick-drying fabrics. Select lightweight, long-sleeve shirts and breathable pants to safeguard yourself from both the sun's rays and insects. As the temperatures dip, make sure to pack a warm fleece or down jacket to ward off the chill during the cool nights. These clothing ensure you remain comfortable, protected, and adaptable to the trail's ever-changing elements, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the journey's beauty and challenges. Number 3. Footwear. When preparing for the Inca Trail, prioritize investing in quality hiking boots that are properly broken in to guarantee both comfort and blister prevention. Well-fitting boots with proper ankle support are essential for tackling the trail's diverse terrain. Additionally, consider packing a pair of comfortable camp shoes or sandals to provide your feet with breathing space at the end of the day's trekking. These simple yet essential choices will contribute to your overall comfort and enjoyment throughout the journey, allowing you to navigate the trail with confidence and ease. Section 4. Rain Gear. Make sure you pack a reliable rain jacket and trousers to protect yourself from sudden downpours so that you are prepared for the erratic weather during your Inca Trail. These water-resistant layers will keep you dry and cozy so you can continue traveling with minimal interruption. A waterproof backpack cover is also crucial since it protects your possessions from moisture and guarantees that your equipment stays in good shape. You'll be prepared to face any weather challenges the route presents by giving these rain essentials top priority, ensuring your comfort and peace of mind during the experience. Section 5. Sleeping Gear. Prioritize a high-quality sleeping bag with a cold weather rating for the best comfort to ensure peaceful nights along the Inca Trail. A small, light sleeping pad is also essential since it adds another layer of comfort. This makes your walk more comfortable by protecting you from the wind and rough terrain. You're securing your health and energy levels for the duration of your incredible trail adventure by combining a top-notch sleeping bag with a supportive sleeping pad. Fellow trip lovers, before we proceed, let us know in the comments what your favorite Inca Trail travel tip so far is. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Tripocity for more breathtaking content on your favorite travel destination. Now back to regular programming. Section 6. Hydration and Snacks. It's crucial to be hydrated while hiking the Inca Trail. Carry a reusable water bottle and think about using a filtering system or water purification pills to ensure access to safe drinking water throughout the trip. Pack energizing snacks like almonds, dried fruit, and energy bars as well to keep your energy levels high and give you energy while navigating the trail's obstacles. Making them a priority will help you stay hydrated and your tummy filled, enabling you to enjoy the journey and the unforgettable Inca Trail experience. Number 7. Toiletries and personal items. Taking care of necessary personal needs is part of getting ready for the Inca Trail. Essential amenities like sunscreen, biodegradable soap, and toothbrush to maintain personal hygiene and skin protection in harsh environments. Additionally, carry a headlamp or flashlight to help you navigate in the dark while participating in nighttime activities. Also, don't forget to pack a camera to capture the breathtaking views you come across. These items will make it easier for you to be safe, secure, and prepared so that you can fully appreciate the experience that the Inca Trail promises to be. Section 8. First Aid Kit. On the Inca Trail, putting your health first means being ready for any potential medical emergencies. Make a comprehensive first aid kit with all the necessary supplies, including sticky bandages, blister pads, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, and any recommended personal prescriptions. By taking preventative measures, you can travel confidently and are prepared for any pain or injury. The importance of having a first aid kit shows your dedication to safety and preparation on what to pack for Inca Trail hike. Section 9. Documents and money. It is crucial to keep your important documents safe while traveling and secure your Inca Trail packing. Items like your passport, travel insurance information, and trail should be stored in a waterproof pouch. Also, carry some cash in Peruvian soles to be prepared for any transactions along the way. By following these precautions, you can ensure the safety of your valuable documents and easy communication, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the breathtaking experience of hiking the Inca Trail. Section 10. Leave no trace. The Inca Trail's beauty must be preserved by encouraging responsible trekking. Follow these guidelines by leaving no evidence of your travel, hauling out all of your waste with extreme care, and respecting the leave no trace principles. Respect the natural environment and cultural history that contribute to the trail's exceptionality. You can help others continue to enjoy this famous path by practicing caution and appreciating the delicate balance between exploration and preservation. In this way, you can guarantee that the Inca Trail will always be a beautiful and historically significant journey. With this comprehensive Inca Trail packing list, you're set to go on a memorable journey. Remember the value of packing smartly, dressing appropriately, and being alert to changing weather conditions as you set out on your amazing excursion. By following these recommendations, you're setting yourself to fully experience the grandeur and wonder that the Inca Trail promises to deliver, while also ensuring your comfort and safety. Your openness to this life-changing experience demonstrates your commitment to making the most of each step as you go. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our content on Inca Trail Packing Guide. What to pack for Inca Trail hike. Any other Inca Trail packing list you would like to share, type in the comments and tell us what you think. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell and share it with your fellow adventurers for your favorite travel destinations only here at Tripocity. We do our best to give value and truly hope that our video on the Inca Trail Packing Guide was helpful to everyone. Our intention was only to give you a thorough understanding of the necessities you should pack for your journey along the Inca Trail. We consider our efforts successful if they have improved your knowledge of essentials to pack and increased your excitement for the trip. We place the utmost value on your interest and happiness and look forward to continuing to offer insightful and interesting content for your upcoming trips. Stay safe, fellow hikers!